I got to tell you, I'm one of those persons. I just started enjoying your content, watching because like the companies, I'm involved in some of the companies that you've done before, and I have certain interest in those companies. And then your videos would come up, and then I'm watching them, and then eventually I'm like, wait a minute, this guy, there's something tricky going on here. No, there's nothing tricky. It's like I kind of doing something similar to you. Like I make content and eventually I'm monetizing that by selling a product, right? And it used to be someone else's product, but now it's my product. So I'm basically now advertising myself. Which is essentially what you're doing, right? You're using this content to raise awareness of your product and your company and your venture, right? And you're offering services there for people that are interested in business. So yeah, this are your it's a it's a pretty good concept, and I think you're executing it well. Uh, I want to congratulate
Thanks.
you in that because yeah, it's working, right? And you've done videos where you have laid it all out, and you basically your business plan and how you operate in the whole thing. Even some of the financials of your YouTube channel and stuff, you've done that video where you share that, and it was pretty interesting to see that, right?